Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send money from PNC to Cashapp. So for that, you need to link your PNC account to your Cashapp account. So just open your Cashapp and click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen. And here, just scroll down a bit, click on link banks and just click on link debit card and then no card and press on continue. So just search for the PNC bank and click on it. Once you click on it, and here it will redirect you to the page where you have to mention your bank details to successfully link your PNC to Cashapp. Just enter all your details and click on link. And once you link your PNC to your Cashapp, and that is where you will be able to transfer money between PNC to Cashapp. So just come all the way back to your home screen and click on banking icon at the bottom left corner of your mobile screen. And here just click on add cash and enter the amount you want to add from your Cashapp to PNC. And that is it. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it and I'll see you the next time.